In this short video, I will walk you through the steps that you need to take to set up your site and server information using Dreamweaver CC2014. First thing I'm going to do is open Dreamweaver. I'm going to find the site menu, click on that, click on New Site, and you'll get a dialog that looks a little bit like this. If you see the unnamed site 2 or 1 or whatever number it says, at this time I would suggest that you name it. I usually call my site just web2 just to keep it simple. The local site folder is where my site will reside in my computer, in my local computer. That's why it's the local site folder. I'll click on the folder and go to the desktop and create a new folder, and I'm going to call it web2 just to keep it simple. Once again, I'll select the folder and it will accept it into the local site folder. If you want to keep your site mobile, you could also save this into a flash drive. You can search for your flash drive using the same little folder icon. Next, I'm going to go to the servers. And if you have already taken Web Design 1 at El Centro, you probably already have a idtprof.com website. You can use the same information, the username and the password that you used before. If you don't remember that information, please let me know and I will reset it. Next, I'm going to click on the plus sign to add a new server. Once again, it's saying that it's unnamed server 2. I'm going to call this web 2. Again, just for simplicity. Dreamweaver can handle multiple websites. That's why you would name them server name. That would be project 1, project 2, my website, my parents' website, my work website, etc. The FTP address is going to be the first initial of your name followed by your last name. Mine is F. Rodriguez. .weidt.com. The port is 21. That's a basic FTP port. Username is where it gets a little tricky, and if you've already taken Web 1 with us before, you may have a different username than the one I'm going to describe. It's going to be the first 8 characters of your FTP address. For example, F. Rodriguez is more than 8 characters. The first 8 would be F. Rodrig U. Your password is going to be a lowercase e followed by your student ID number. I'm going to type my password here. And next I'm going to test the connection. Click on test and I get a message that says Dreamweaver connected to your web server successfully. I will click OK. I'm almost done. The root directory for all of our websites is the same. It's /public_HTML followed by another slash. And then I'm going to click at the end of the web URL and you'll see that the public HTML appears. I'm just going to select that and delete it. And then I'll click on save. Now I have a new server set up. It's web2. My address is frodriguez.weidt.com going in through FTP. My site is web2 and it's located in my web2 folder in my desktop. I'll click on save. And next I'll see that my files appear. If you didn't see the files, you can always go to Window and select Files. You could use F8 as well. And you should have a blank folder to play with.